Good morning, all my dear students. Now get ready for your English class. Today, our topic is recite L. You can see here capital letter L and small letter L. Page number is 46. Page number 46. Our topic is L. So, let's start, okay? You also take out your book and turn on page number 46. Get ready, okay? Let's start. And here is the recitation, okay? Linda is a beautiful lady. You can see here a beautiful lady. What is the name of the lady? The name of the lady is Linda. She lives near a lake. You can see here a picture of lake. She lives near the lake. She loves lily flowers. You can see here one kind of flower. The name of the flower is lily. Okay. For the bouquets she makes. Why did she need the flower? For make bouquet. Okay. So recite it again and you will repeat after me. Okay. Linda is a beautiful lady. She lives near a lake. She loves lily flowers. For the bouquets she makes. You also sometimes make bouquet, na? To make a bouquet we need different kind of flowers. Okay. So again I am read it out. You also read with me. Okay. Linda is a beautiful lady. She lives near a lake. She loves lily flowers. For the bouquets she makes. Okay. So after read it out, we have a task. We have to underline the words which start with the letter L. The letter L. Okay. So first what's Linda, you can see here underline the letter start with L. So underline this is a beautiful start B, no lady starting letter L. So underline this. She lives, she is, so lives start with L. Underline this. Use colorful pencil. Okay. Near a lake. You can see here lake starting letter L. She loves starting letter L. Lily also starting letter L. Flower starting letter F. Leave it. For the bouquets she makes. In this line you cannot find a word start with L. So leave this line. In this way you will complete it. Okay. This will be your homework. Now come to the next page, page number 47. 47 in this page you can see here some words start with L. So we will learn all the words one by one. Okay. First I am reading it out. You will read with me. Okay. Leopard. You can see the picture of leopard. Have you seen? Leopard. Leopard. Okay. Leopard. Leopard. In Bengali, leopard we call cheetah. Then ladder. 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 You can see the picture of ladder. Shiri. Ladder. Moi ba shiri. Na. Then lollipop. 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 You can see the picture of lollipop. This is a very tasty, na? You also like lollipop. Then leg. Leg. You know the meaning of leg. With the help of leg we can walk, na? Log. 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 You can see the picture of log. leaf. You can see the picture, L-E-F, L-E-A-F, leaf. Then lid, L-I-D, lid. Bengali you called it thakna, L-I-D, lid. Okay. And today our last word is lizard, L-I-Z-A-R-D, lizard, L-I-Z-A-R-D, lizard. Okay. In Bengali we called it tick tick. You can see the picture. So in this way you will learn the words. Okay. After learning your homework, after learning you will write all the words in your English copy. Okay. See and write. Okay. In your English copy, see and write all the words. So do it. Today I am ending here. Tomorrow or our next class we will complete our rest of the part of this chapter, topic L. Okay. So I am ending here today. Learn this, do it well. Okay. Thank you so much.